Hi, this is Mr. 221G here for another video. Here's a simple video on how to verify your license in NURSYS. This video is part of the ultimate guide to California RN license endorsement. If you haven't watched that yet, I suggest you head over in the description of this video below for the link. So let's start by heading to nursys.com. Click request verification, read the terms and tick the I agree box. Put in your name and license information. Once the system finds your active license, click Next. Tick the box that corresponds to California RN. Double check to make sure that you choose RN and not LPN. Continue to payment. After payment, you'll be able to get a receipt in your email. Download the attachment. This attachment will be part of your endorsement requirement, which needs to be uploaded in these. So, if this video helped you out, make sure to click like and subscribe for more informative videos. Mr. 221G here saying stay cool by sharing information that can help others, and until we meet again in the next video.